In this episode, we will explore the essential components that ensures comfortable and safe riding experiences on electric scooters. There are two types of brakes, EABS plus mechanic disc brakes and EABS plus hydraulic disc brakes. EABS of the e-scooter is ABS of the car. It is the anti-lock brake system of the scooter. For safety's sake, all scooters will go with EABS. Generally speaking, the mechanic disc brakes go with small-sized scooters, and the hydraulic disc brakes are more often used on 11-inch scooters or high-end scooters. Don't forget about the visibility. Headlights, turning lights, brake lights, decorative lights. These are all LED lights which is energy efficient and brighter. Not all lights are necessary. Turning lights and brake lights are more important than other lights. Always remember, safety first. We also have anti-explosion battery tank system in e-scooters. High pressure will be released from the anti-explosion hole, and the aerosol fire extinguisher will be activated when it's needed. When we talk about safety, we usually mean the safety of the charging battery. Of course, you are supposed to protect yourself when you ride your scooters.
Subscribe our channel for more videos.